when the business starts to grow and all of a sudden you feel like you're suffocating and there's just not enough of you to go around.
Your mind is thinking 24/7.
It is essential that your foundation involves finding other women who will honestly, authentically support you.
The fellowship is pretty powerful to be in a room with other women business owners. It's like your own kind of support group of people who know what you're dealing with.
There is a lot of resources available for startups. What there isn't is second stage companies.
Being in a room full of just women kind of lets me know that none of these things that I'm experiencing that might be troublesome, like I'm not alone in any of them.
Part of this program is giving them a safe place to say, these are the struggles that I'm having. These are the things I'm dealing with.
Being in the fellowship has allowed me to feel like I'm a part of something greater.
It's a place to just be vulnerable and be completely myself.
What I really like about the fellowship is that I feel like it's a really safe space. It's like at the beginning of each session, it's like a support group.
So many of the challenges that you're facing and some of the things that you're overcoming are so very common. You have to appreciate the value of what you're building.
You will not scale that organization because you've got too much of this going on and nobody else can do it like you, and you are now stuck balancing all those plates.
I say my exit strategy is relevance.
This is a great opportunity to realign, my personal strategy, the business strategy, and how do we get those things to actually get to the same place. That it's been a huge shift in just my mentality.
Being a part of the fellowship has actually meant a lot to me.
Learning and networking is just very beneficial.
It takes a village to run a business, to navigate life, personally and professionally. So the fellowship to me has been this absolute, my calendar is blocked and I am present during the meetings, and it's because I value so much what I take out of these meetings and the ladies that are here that are helping me.
This is the time for you to dig in and do what you need to do to build yourself as a leader and an executive in your business and to show up best for those around you.